Welcome to this tutorial on switching from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics 4 setup. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. To begin, it is essential to understand the differences between Universal Analytics and Google Analytics 4. Universal Analytics is the older version of Google Analytics, while Google Analytics 4 is the latest version, offering more advanced features and better data analysis capabilities. The first step in switching to Google Analytics 4 is to create a new Google Analytics 4 property. To do this, log into your Google Analytics account and click on the Admin button. Then select the option to create a new property. Choose Google Analytics 4 as the property type and follow the prompts to set up your new property. Next, you need to set up data streams in your Google Analytics 4 property. Data streams are the sources of data for your analytics, such as your website or mobile app. To set up a data stream, click on the Data Streams tab in your Google Analytics 4 property and follow the prompts to add a new data stream. After setting up your data streams, you need to install the Google Analytics 4 tracking code on your website or mobile app. The tracking code is a small piece of code that sends data from your website or app to your Google Analytics 4 property. You can find the tracking code in the Data Streams tab of your Google Analytics 4 property. It is also essential to configure your data retention settings in Google Analytics 4. Data retention settings determine how long your data is stored in Google Analytics 4. To configure your data retention settings, click on the Admin button in your Google Analytics 4 property. Then select the Data Retention option. In addition to these steps, it is crucial to understand the differences in measurement models between Universal Analytics and Google Analytics 4. Universal Analytics uses a session-based measurement model, while Google Analytics 4 uses an event-based measurement model. This means that Google Analytics 4 tracks events, such as page views and button clicks, rather than sessions. To ensure a smooth transition, it is recommended to run both Universal Analytics and Google Analytics 4 in parallel for a period. This allows you to compare data between the two properties and ensure that your Google Analytics 4 property is set up correctly. In conclusion, switching from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics 4 setup requires careful planning and execution. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can ensure a successful transition and start taking advantage of the advanced features and capabilities of Google Analytics 4.